Hello, my people. Happy Sunday and happy new month to you all. I am so excited today. Then there's one thing I want to ask you. For those of you that don't go to church on Sunday, how do you feel? In fact, the whole of the year, there are so many persons. You don't go to church on Sunday, you don't connect online. How do you feel? Like, seriously? There is joy in serving God and there is joy in the presence of the Lord. Like unlike me, if I not go to church any service, I must connect online. Even if it's not from my own church but from other churches, in as long as we're serving one God, I must connect online. But what will make me not to go to church actually? So I am encouraging you all that you see this 2026, try and serve God. Because there is joy in the presence of the Lord.